I love birthdays. The food, the dancing, the drinks, making plans for the year to come, and then having your plans fall apart. Overnight. Welcome to my quarter life crisis. Now, you may be wondering, how did I end up here? Before my 25th, I realized I was stuck in the same routine and something had to change. Impulsively, I purchased a drone in hopes of seeing the bigger picture, both physically and metaphorically. From the first flight, I knew I had to do more with my 20s. So I quit my job in hopes of moving abroad, donated my belongings, and just 3 days before my big move, my plans fell apart. After a hard month, I turned the misfortune into an opportunity and did the best thing for me: travel. Within 10 days, I did my research, packed a bag, and booked a one-way ticket to South America. With no solid plan, I knew that my drone and I were up for a good adventure. After doing some touristy things, I really wanted to experience the life as a local, learning the language and giving back to the communities. The trip was filled with beautiful cultures, delicious food, and lifelong memories. But the journey wasn't always easy and often pushed me to some pretty tough breaking points. Traveling solo forced me to be my own doctor, chef, financial advisor, travel planner, everything. It was the most demanding job I've ever worked. I realized that solely relying on my physical strengths would only get me so far. And so what started as a physical journey quickly turned into a spiritual one, adding even more depth to my trip. Through various practices, I learned to connect with my higher self, who taught me the importance of not only trusting in the universe, but also trusting in my abilities to handle any situation. After traveling for half a year, my 3 main takeaways were: 1. Embrace uncertainty. Life rarely goes according to plan, and the best things happen when you ride the waves instead of fighting them. 2. Learn from everyone. Each person you meet is a book, and every conversation is a chapter worth reading. The best lessons come from other people, even that guy who cut you off. 3. Live in the now. Constantly moving taught me that everything is temporary: people, places, and moments. With an abundance mindset, it's easier to trust that more good things are always on the way. Coming back home after 6 months was equally exciting and terrifying. I was worried I'd fall back into old habits, but the journey left me with new tools: self-belief, self-love, and determination. The best birthday gift I could have asked for. Truthfully, I don't know what 26 will bring, but I'm on a quest to find my greater purpose, ride the waves to new horizons, and find what sets my soul on fire. After all, isn't that what a quarter life crisis is really all about?